Session, se- Session 11 of Module 1 of Business Ethics of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study some of the concepts like values, norms, beliefs, virtues, morality, and moral standards. Values. Values are individual beliefs that motivate people to act one way or another. They serve as a guide for human behavior. Generally, people are predisposed to adopt the values that they are raised with. People also tend to believe that those values are right because they are the values of their culture. So, individually, a person thinks what he has learned, those are the good values. Values in ethics. In ethics, value denotes the degree of importance of something or action. Ethical values are the ones we make ethical choices based on them, or they are the kind of values that have to do with being good or doing the right thing. Some ethical values are justice, honesty, empathy, compassion, respect, and responsibility. Some values have intrinsic worth, such as love, truth, and freedom. Other values, such as ambition, responsibility, and courage, describe traits, qualities, or behaviors that are instrumental as means to an end. Let us see what is norms. Norms are the agreed upon expectations and rules by which a culture guides the behavior of its members in any given situation. Norms deal with standards of appropriate behavior, whereas ethics are based upon rules of what is morally good or bad behavior. It applies to all aspects of business conduct and is relevant to the conduct of individual and entire organizations. Norms and standards in management are binding rules, requirements, or standards of conduct of people in processes or requirements for products quality. Business norms and standards. It is a common agreement within the company or organization. For example, different types of regulation. Beliefs. It is an acceptance that something exists or is true, especially one without proof. We believe that something is true. Ethics reflect beliefs about what is right, what is wrong, what is just, what is unjust, what is good, and what is bad in terms of human behavior. Ethics applies to all aspects of conduct and is relevant to the actions of individuals, group, and the organization. Virtues. Virtue is behavior showing high moral standards. A virtue is a trait or quality that is deemed to be morally good and thus is valued as a foundation of principle and good moral being. Some of the virtues are honesty, grace, prudence, forgiveness, kindness, gratitude, excellence, empathy, and integrity. Virtue in ethics is person rather than action based. Stakeholders expect qualities such as honesty, competency, fairness, transparency, openness, and courage. A mix of moral and non-moral excellences. There are two basic approaches to integrating ethics in business. That is the action-based approach and the agent-based approach. The traditional approach is action-based in that it focuses on developing rules or guidelines to constrain management's actions. These rules or guidelines generally manifest themselves in corporate code of conduct or code of ethics. Agent-based approach generally derive their philosophical foundation from virtue ethics theory. This theory is attracting interesting interest from business ethicists. In essence, the virtue in virtue ethics is defined as some desirable character trait such as courage that lies between two extremes such as rashness and cowardness. Thus, the virtuous agent is involved in a continual quest to find balance in decision making. Such an agent does not apply any specific rules in making decisions, but rather he attempts to make decisions that are consistent with the pursuit of a particular kind of excellence that in turn entails exercising sound moral judgment guided by such virtues as courage, wisdom, temperance, fairness, integrity, and consistency. Morality. Morality is a set of rules that shapes our behavior in various social situations. It is more sensitive doing the good instead of bad, and therefore it establishes a level of standard for virtuous conduct. Moral standards. A moral standard refers to the norms which we have about the types of actions which we believe to be morally acceptable or morally unacceptable. Specifically, moral standards deal with matters which can either seriously harm or seriously benefit human beings. Applied ethics refer to moral conclusions based on rules, standards, code of ethics and models that help guide decisions. Business ethics deals with the creation and application of moral standards in the business environment. Morals are judgments, standards, and rules of good conduct in the society. References.